Addition of fractions. First one is addition of like fractions. Like fractions means in which denominators are same. See first example, 5 by 7 plus 1 by 7. In both fraction denominator is 7. So when we add like fractions, we simply write the denominator one time. Here 7, here 7. We don't have to add these 7 plus 7, only write 7. And then we have to add numerators. 5, 5 plus sign, 1, 1. Plus 5 plus 1, 6 by 7. So this is the answer. You don't have to add 7 plus 7, 14. You don't have to write like that, okay? That will be wrong. You have to only write denominator one time and you have to add numerators. 5 plus 1, 6 by 7 is the answer. Another example, 2 by 16 plus 5 by 16 plus 6 by 16. Denominator is same. Simply write denominator one time and add all the numerators. 2 plus 5 plus 6. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 6, 30. 13 by 16 is the final answer. Don't do 16 plus 16 plus 16. That will be wrong. Denominator you have to write one time and only numerator will be added. Now see addition of unlike fractions, meaning unlike fractions in which denominators are different. First one is 5 by 9, 7 by 15. 9 and 15 both are different. So how we will add these two fractions? To add, first we have to find the LCM of denominators, that is 9 and 15. So LCM of 9 and 15 is 3, 3 is a 9, 3 5 is a 15. So 3 into 3 into 5, 45. So denominator, LCM of denominator is 45. So now we will put this by sign and at the place of denominator we'll write the LCM of denominators, that is 45. So in the place of denominator 45 is here. Now see numerator is 5, we'll write numerator, into sign we'll put, and then we'll see in 9 table in how many times 45 comes. So in 9 table 5 times 45 comes. 9 5s are 45. So here we'll write 5. Numerator 7 multiply 15, 3s are 45. So we'll write 3 here. Now we will multiply these two. 5 into 5, 25. Plus sign is here, plus sign. 7 into 3, 21. Now we'll add these two numbers, 25 plus 21. Here denominator will be same, 45. So 25 plus 21, 46 by 45. Now 46 is greater, 45 is smaller. So this is a improper fraction. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. So divide it, 45 ones are 45, 45 plus 1, 46, 46 by 45. Here we have divided to find mixed fraction. Next see another example. Here 4 fractions are there. 5 by 6, 8 by 9, 11 by 18, 13 by 27. 4 denominators are there. 6, 9, 18, 27. We have found LCM of it, that is 54. So LCM is 54. 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 6s are 18, 3 9s are 27. Then again 3 2, 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. then 2, 2 ones are 1, 2 ones are 3. So 3 into 3 into 2 into 3 equal to 54. So 54 is the LCM. So in place of denominator, we'll write 54. Then 5 numerator, 5. 6 9s are 54. So 9 here. Plus sign, 8 numerator, 8. Multiply 9, 6 are 54. So 6 is here. Plus sign, 11 is numerator, 11. 18, 3s are 54. So 3 is here. Plus sign, 13 is numerator, 13 is here. Multiply 27, 2s are 54. So 2 is here. Now we will multiply these. 9 5s are 45. 6 8 plus sign is here, plus sign. 8 6s are 48 plus sign. 11 3s are 33 plus sign. 13 2s are 26. Now we will add these. 45 plus 48 plus 33 plus 26, and denominator simply 54. So when we add this, it will come 152 divided by 54. Last digit is 2, here 4, so these 2 can be cancelled by 2, so we have cancelled it here. 2 7s are 14, 1 carry, 2 6s are 12, 2 2s are 4, 1 carry, 2 7s are 14. Now 76 by 27. It cannot be cancelled, but numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So we have to convert it into mixed fraction. To convert it into mixed fraction, we have divided it here. 27 2s are 54. 2 quotient, 22 remainder. So quotient is natural number, 22 is numerator and 27 is denominator. So this is the final answer. See next example. Here these all are mixed fraction. We have to add these mixed fractions. So first we have to convert it into improper fraction. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4, 34 by 5. You should be able to do it mentally. Plus sign, 10 3s are 30. 30 plus 9, 39 by 10. Plus 15 5s are 75. 75 7 82 by 15. Now we have to find LCM of denominators, that is 5, 10 and 15. So LCM of 5, 10, 15 is 30. So in place of denominator we'll write 30. Now 34 is numerator, 34 into 5 6 are 30. So 6 is here, plus sign is here, plus sign. 39 is numerator, 39 into 10, 3s are 30. So 3 is here, plus sign. Then 82 is numerator, 82 into 15, 2s are 30. So 2 is here. So now we have to multiply. 34 into 6, 204 plus 39 into 3, 117 plus 82 into 2, 164. Now we have to add these three numbers divided by 30. 30 is denominator. So when we add this, it will come 485 divided by 30. Now see, last digit is 0 and here last digit is 5. So these two numbers is divisible by 5. So we will cancel it. 5 9s are 45. 3 carry 35 now. So 5 7s are 35 and 5 6 are 30. Again see, numerator is greater and denominator is smaller. So we have to divide it and convert it into mixed fraction. So here we have divided it. 6 1s are 6, 3 7, 6 6 are 36. So quotient will be natural number, and remainder will be numerator and denominator is 6. So this is the final answer.